Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're drawing a Pokeball. For this drawing, you'll need colored pencils black and red. The grid for this drawing is 22 squares tall and 22 squares wide. Let's start with the black pencil. Skip 7 squares from left to right, and on the 8th square, draw 8 squares across horizontally. From there, go down to the left and draw 2 squares horizontally. Then down to the left 3 squares diagonally. Down to the left again 2 squares vertically. Down to the left 8 squares vertically. Down to the right 2 squares vertically. Down to the right 3 squares diagonally. Down to the right 2 squares horizontally. Down to the right 8 squares horizontally. Up to the right 2 squares horizontally. Up to the right 3 squares diagonally. Up to the right 2 squares vertically. Up to the right 8 squares vertically. Up to the left 2 squares vertically. Up to the left 3 squares diagonally. Up to the left 2 squares horizontally. Now, from that squares, skip 3 squares downward and draw 8 squares horizontally. On the next line down, draw another 8 horizontally. From there, move down and draw 2 horizontally. Then move down and draw 4 horizontally. Move up and draw 2 horizontally. Move up and draw 8 horizontally. On the line above, draw another 8 horizontally. Move up again and draw 2 horizontally. Move up again and draw 4 horizontally. And finally move down and draw 2 horizontally. Now go ahead and fill in all the squares we just outlined. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to join the Pixeler Club. You'll also find a link in the top corner to my other drawing channel. There are over 1,000 videos waiting for you there. Next, grab your red pencil and fill in this entire area. And that's it! Our drawing for today is complete. If you join it, don't forget to leave the super pixelated like and tell me in the comments who's your favorite Pokemon. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for hanging out with me in another video. Sending you a big hug and lots of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!